Hello, everybody. Let's do our Fundations lesson again. I hope you're all doing well. All right, let's start with our warm-up cards. Repeat after me. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, CK, sock, k. WH, whistle, w. QU, queen, qu. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, yeah. Okay, today we're going to review some trick words. And what we'll do is we'll build the word, we'll review the tricky parts, and then we're going to skywrite them. So our first trick word is you. And you is spelled Y-O-U. So you is tricky because this OU says ooh, and so it's kind of a funny way of saying it. So you just kind of have to memorize it. So remember when you're doing skywriting, you stick your elbow straight with your two fingers. I don't know if you can see it on me. And we skywrite it together. I'm going to have my elbow bent so you can see my hand. Y-O-U. You. Okay, our next one is going to be your. And your is tricky because it has that U in there. And so you just have to remember to add the extra U. All right, let's skywrite this together. Your. Y-O-U-R. All right, and our last trick word is going to be was. W-A-S. All right, and was is tricky because the A says and the S makes the Z sound, which is pretty common with S, but it's this and Z, so you have to remember it's A-S and not U-Z. All right, let's skywrite this together. Was. W-A-S. And if you want to do this again, you can do it with your eyes closed and picture it in your head like we've done in class. Okay. So now we have the word of the day. And let's build this together. The word of the day is blend. B-L-E-N-D. So can you think of another word for blend? The word I think of is combine or combining things together. So let's copy this word onto our page, our vocabulary page. So in your packet, you'll see this page. It says vocabulary up here and you'll see A, but at the bottom of it, you'll see B. This is where we're going to record blend. So if you need to pause and go get a pencil and this paper, go ahead and do that. Okay, so on this little short line, we're going to write the word blend. So let's sound it out together. Blend. B. O. E. N. D. Fix that D a little bit. Okay. Now remember how we mark this kind of a word? This blend actually has two blends in it, two consonant blends. So remember, and you can do this on a different page if you don't want to make this all messy. But this is how we mark it. One line under each consonant. Blend. Like this. Okay. All right, and let's write a sentence. So the sentence is going to be, we will blend the colors. So let's write this together. We will, remember we start a sentence with a capital letter. We will blend the colors. Blend. Whoop. The colors. I'm going to erase that. It's too close to my, okay. I'm going to go down here so I have room. Colors. Remember, every sentence ends with a period. Okay. Very nice. All right, next what you're going to do is get out your second dictation page like this. And we're going to do dictation, and then that's the end of our lesson today. Okay, so remember, I'm going to say 4 sounds today. Repeat the sound after me, name the letter, and then write the letter. So the first sound is ch, ch. The second sound is a, a. The third sound is s, s. And the fourth sound is g, g. All right, if you need to pause and review all those, go ahead. All right, now for our words. Remember, after I say the word, repeat it, tap the sounds, spell the word, and write it. Your first word is flock. Flock. F-O-A-K. Flock. Go ahead and pause if you need to. Your second word is rash. Rash. Ash. Rash. Go ahead and pause and while you write that. Okay, we have 2 trick words. Your first trick word is, well, before I say that, remember we're going to say the word and skywrite it and then write it. So your first trick word is said. So said, skywrite it, and then write it. Said. Pause if you need to. And your second trick word is was. Was. Skywrite it. Write it. Okay, pause if you need to before we do the sentence. Okay, your sentence is, and I'll say it, and then I'll say it by phrasing, and feel free to pause after each phrase while you write it. The sentence is, Rick had to sit on the bench. Rick had to sit on the bench. Rick had to sit on the bench. All right, go ahead and pause and finish that up. Then when you're done, you need to proofread your sentence. Make sure it starts with a capital letter ends with a period, and correct any spelling. All right, nice job, everybody. Well, at least I hope you did a nice job. And we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.